Welcome to the world of imagination. We will discuss the top 10 AI tools in 2023 that will blow your mind in. AI is changing the world as we know it, and these tools are leading the way. So without further ado, let's dive in.
The first AI tool I am going to talk about can literally predict the future. Predict IQ. This AI tool uses machine learning to analyze data and predict future trends with incredible accuracy. It's perfect for businesses and marketers who want to stay ahead of the curve. Predict IQ can be used to forecast sales, identify potential customers, and even predict market trends. Copycraft. This tool uses natural language processing to generate human-like text, making it a game-changer for content creators and marketers. It can help you generate articles, social media posts, and even product descriptions with ease. Copycraft can also be used to generate chatbot responses and email templates. The next tool is amazing. Visionary. This AI tool uses computer vision to analyze images and videos, making it ideal for security and surveillance purposes. It can also be used in industries such as retail and manufacturing to improve quality control and detect defects. Visionary can recognize faces, objects, and even emotions. The next AI tool is useful for customers and business owners. Chat Flow. This tool uses AI to automate customer service, making it easier and faster for businesses to respond to customer inquiries. It's a win-win for both businesses and customers alike. Chatflow can be used to answer frequently asked questions and even resolve customer complaints. The next AI tool I am going to mention can save lives. MediMind. This AI tool is perfect for healthcare professionals who need to make quick and accurate diagnoses. It uses machine learning to analyze medical images and provide insights that can help save lives. MediMind can detect abnormalities and diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy. HR Automate. This tool uses AI to automate HR tasks such as recruiting, onboarding, and performance evaluation. It's perfect for businesses that want to streamline their HR processes and save time. HR Automate can be used to screen resumes, conduct interviews, and even evaluate employee performance. The next AI tool is so very useful for online workers or social media users. Cyber Shield. This AI tool uses machine learning to detect and prevent cyber threats, making it a must-have for businesses that deal with sensitive data. It can help prevent data breaches and protect against cyber attacks. Cyber Shield can monitor networks, detect anomalies, and even respond to threats in real time. The very next tool is a miracle for business owners or online workers. Market Insights. This tool uses AI to analyze financial data and provide insights that can help businesses make better decisions. It's perfect for financial analysts and investors who want to stay on top of market trends. Market Insights can be used to predict stock prices, identify market trends, and even assess the performance of individual companies. Sentiment Analyzer. This AI tool uses natural language processing to analyze customer feedback and provide insights that can help businesses improve their products and services. It's a great way to stay in touch with your customers and improve their experience. Sentiment Analyzer can be used to analyze customer reviews, social media posts, and even customer service interactions. The last AI tool is for women who love shopping. ShopSmart. This tool uses AI to personalize the shopping experience for customers, making it easier for them to find products they love. It's perfect for e-commerce businesses that want to improve customer satisfaction and increase sales. ShopSmart can recommend products based on customer preferences, search history, and even location. And there you have it. Folks, which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.